Welcome to my channel Crochet Skills. In today's video I will show you how to crochet this beautiful pouch. So I will show you how to make it. I have attached here zipper, and this is how it looks from inside. It's washable and very convenient. Okay, so it has a lot of space because of these round sides. So let's start making it. Okay, so let's begin. We will make start by making chains. Start with a slip knot and make chains. Just count them and make chains until we have got 18 centimeter. So here I have this scale. So let's measure. It's not tight. It's loosely made 18 centimeter. These are 45 chains, so I will just make a big rectangular piece. Chain 1, go into the second chain from the hook and work a single crochet in the next single crochet. So this is how we will make one single crochet into each stitch, chain 1 and back. We will work in the same way, and I need to work a 23 centimeter long piece. So let's make a piece and then I'll show you what to do next. Okay, so my this piece is completed. As I started here, this is 18 centimeter and this is 23 centimeter. So this is our main piece. Now we will start making the sides, both sides that we will attach here, and then we will make I will show you how to make the place of zipper, and then I'll show you how we will work. Okay, so let's start by making chain 2. Go into the second chain from the hook and work 6 single crochet. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now place a stitch marker here. Go into the very first stitch, work 2 single crochets in each stitch. Into every stitch work 2 single crochets. At the end of this round I have 12 single crochets. Round is completed. Shift the stitch marker to the back side. In this round I will work 2 single crochets in a stitch, one into the next, 2 single crochets in the same stitch, one into the next, 2 single crochets in the same stitch, one in the next, 2 single crochets in the same stitch, one in the next, 2 single crochets, then 1, 2 single crochets, one in the next. Round is completed. Shift this to the front. Begin working 2 single crochets in a stitch, one into the next stitch, one into the next stitch. Then in this stitch where we have worked 2 single crochets in the same stitch, I'll work 2 single crochets in a stitch, one into the next, one into the next. Then we have here a stitch with 2 single crochets in same stitch. I'll work 2 single crochets, then one single crochet in the next, one single crochet in the next stitch. So this is how we will make 9 more rounds, total 9 rounds, and then we will make 2 rounds of one single crochet each stitch. Then this piece will be completed. We need to make 2 pieces of the same round. So 9 rounds are completed. As you can see, this is how we have worked it. Now I will make 2 more rounds with one single crochet into every stitch. Okay, so you can make any character as you want. I am just pasting these eyes, and then I will just embroider here nose and cheeks. So I want to make a bunny here, so you want to make any character, so you can make it, and then I will show you how to attach the zipper and the sides to this piece. So let's see how it looks after it. Okay, so this is how it looks. Now this is the front. I will attach with the help of this glue gun. I will attach this lining in it. Okay, so these sides are attached with glue gun. We have this extended part. So what I will do, I'll just sew these sides together. Sew these parts together. I'll just fold it, and these two parts I'll just sew together like this. Then I will attach the zipper here, and then the other part with this. So I will complete this work, and then I will show you what to do next. Okay, so the sewing part is completed. I'll attach this zipper here. Okay, so now we will take this round and attach it with the help of a yarn needle. We will attach it here. For example, like this. This is how we are just going to attach it all. As you can see, it is totally fine. So I'll just finish it, and then I'll show you the end product. Okay, I'm done with all this sewing work, both sides also. So this is how it will look. You can use it as keeping anything, as a wallet, also as a pencil pouch, whatever you want. So I hope you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. For any query, ask in comment section. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.